So a test statistic for a population proportion is z. Okay, we can use the z table to help us calculate probabilities. And what we do is we find z by taking the hypothesized proportion and subtracting it from what we get in our sample proportion. So it looks like this. Divide by the square root. And it's supposed to be p times 1 minus p over n on bottom. Okay, and this is all square rooted. You got to figure out what's inside the square root first, and then take the square root. Okay, so they give us this hypothesis test. Now to calculate the test statistic, we just need to crunch the numbers here. Let's see. Hypothesized proportion, p is 0.87. The sample proportion that we got, 450 patients were taken, and 371 had successful knee surgery. So 371 divided by 450 gives us a sample proportion of 0.824 repeating. Oh, it's a bad square root. But plug in 0.87, population proportion. And then I'm kind of simplifying here. 1 minus 0.87 is 0.13. And then n, the sample size is 450. So let's figure out what that square root is first. 0.87 times 0.13, divide by that 450, and then apply the square root. So the whole bottom just became 0.01585. Here's the numerator. The bottom of our test statistic is 0.01585. So now we can quickly come to the final conclusion. Just take the top, which is negative 0.045, divide by our bottom. Get a test statistic of negative 2.87, 2 decimal places, negative 2.87.